Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Eggs just might be nature's perfect food. Not only are they packed with protein, but they contain a powerhouse lineup of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Modern science continues to reveal new ways that eggs can enhance our health and performance when eaten regularly. In today's video, we'll explore what happens when you eat eggs every day. I'll share the top 8 scientifically proven benefits, from improving your vision to boosting brain power. After watching, you'll have no doubts about making eggs a staple in your daily diet. Egg nutrition starts with the high-quality protein found in the whites and yolks. Just 2 large eggs provide 12 grams of protein to build and maintain muscle. The protein in eggs is the gold standard against which other proteins are measured, as it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Eggs are also one of the few dietary sources of vitamin D, which regulates calcium for stronger bones while enabling our immune systems. Vitamin D also helps regulate mood. 2 eggs pack about 10% of our vitamin D needs. The carotenoid antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in egg yolks play a key role in vision health. Studies show eating just 1.5 eggs per day results in higher blood levels of these carotenoids to protect against macular degeneration and cataracts. Choline is an essential nutrient that supports brain development and prevents neurological disorders. Just 1 large egg contains 147 milligrams of choline, meeting about 30% of our choline requirements. Choline in eggs also helps regulate cholesterol levels. Egg yolks are one of the richest sources of choline, containing over 30% of an egg's total choline content in just the yolk. This makes egg yolks an essential brain food. The iron in egg yolks helps prevent anemia by carrying oxygen throughout the body in red blood cells. Eggs have the most bioavailable form of iron, meaning it's readily absorbed and utilized. Just 1 large egg provides about 5% of our daily iron needs. Eggs are also a rich source of selenium, a potent antioxidant mineral that protects cells from free radical damage. Selenium plays a key role in thyroid hormone regulation as well. Get over 20% of your daily selenium from just 1 egg. The folate in eggs aids cell production and development, including red blood cells. It's also essential for pregnant women to prevent neural tube defects. 1 large egg has about 6% of our daily folate requirements. So by enjoying just 2 eggs at breakfast, you cover about a third of your daily vitamin D, choline, selenium, and folate needs, along with muscle-maintaining protein, vision-protecting carotenoids, and anemia-fighting iron. It's an incredibly nutrient-dense superfood. The verdict is in when it comes to eggs and cholesterol. Dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol for most people. Eggs have many other positive effects that outweigh any risks. Shoot for 2 eggs per day and reap the rewards to your health. Eggs are affordable, versatile nutrition. They can be prepared simply as boiled, poached, scrambled, fried, or in omelets and frittatas. Get creative with eggs for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Your body will thank you. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you experience any of these symptoms or have tips to share. Subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you all next time.